Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Twilio. They're looking for a vice president, global events at Twilio. This pays $256,000 a year. Twilio powers real-time business communications and data solutions that help companies, developers worldwide build better applications and customer experiences. Although we're headquartered in San Francisco, we have presence throughout South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. We're on a journey to become a globally anti-racist, anti-oppressive, anti-bias company that actively opposes racism and all forms of oppression and bias. At Twilio, we support diversity, equity, and inclusion. Wherever we do business, we employ thousands of Twilians worldwide, and we're looking for more builders, creators, and visionaries to help fuel our growth and momentum. Twilio is seeking an energetic and detail-oriented events marketing leader to plan, manage, and execute the company's external and internal events. This position requires a combination of exceptional communication skills and large event planning/management abilities to meet our ambitious company growth goals. The position requires the ability to think strategically and lead cross-disciplinary teams. As the VP heading our global events, you'll be responsible for rapidly scaling in-person and virtual go-to-market events supporting our products for different market segments, internationally and internal communities. In this role, you'll work with field and product marketing teams, sales, and other internal functional leaders, propose and manage global events for customers and company. Work with marketing and sales leaders to organize and staff global events, account-based campaigns, and partner activities. Drive all aspects of events, working closely with cross-functional marketing teams, messaging, communication development, logistics, meeting space needs and design, branding staff, collateral vendors, shipments, invoices, schedules, and timelines, budget management, and reconciliation. Monitor, measure, and report event campaign effectiveness and result. Track and analyze event performance and a scorecard for each event executed against lead generation goals. Manage multiple complex programs successfully in collaborative, fast-paced environment. Interface with various external and internal groups, teams to drive awareness of planned activities and understand how to leverage them. Negotiate and execute contracts for large and small scale events, working closely with legal and procurement. Drive marketing influence pipeline to generate MQLs through on-site activities while supporting the on-site team with meaningful conversations that increases SQLs. Partner with branding ad creative team to ensure event presence accurately represents the Twilio brand while maximizing brand awareness and consideration. For the qualifications, not all applicants that have skills that match a job description exactly. Twilio values diverse experience in other industries, and we encourage everyone who meets the required qualifications to apply. While having desired qualifications make for a strong candidate, we encourage applicants with alternative experiences to also apply. If your career is just starting or hasn't followed a traditional path, please don't let that stop you for considering Twilio. We are always looking for people who will bring something new to the table. So required, they will like bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or related field, minimum of 10 years of experience in managing events, marketing communications, content marketing, and or marketing campaigns, demonstrable skills in strategic planning and execution of marketing initiatives, must have leadership experience with global high-profile conferences and customer events for thousands of attendees with responsibility for audience acquisition, engagement, and revenue, excellent interpersonal skills This position requires very strong organization abilities and collaboration skills, experience using CRM systems, marketing automation systems, and social media channels for appropriate tactics related to event management and execution, must have strong problem-solving skills and the ability to define solutions, creative, high-energy, innovative, proactive, and resourceful, proven ability to thrive in a demanding, fast-paced environment. This role will be remote and based in the United States. They offer many benefits to working with Twilio, including, in addition to competitive pay, things like generous time off, ample parental leave, and wellness leave as well, healthcare and retirement savings program, and much more. Specifically for Colorado applicants, the estimated pay rate for this role based in Colorado is from $256,000 to $320,000. Additionally, this role is eligible to participate in Twilio's equity plan. So if you would like to apply for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. And also, don't worry if you don't have all the necessary qualification skills for this particular job. Like they said before, they want people within their company to expand and be part of it. So it's right for you, but you still want to work for Twilio, hit them up. You never know, you might end up working for them. Maybe not this particular position, but something similar. And we're going to put all the links right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, also don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day right here, because it's our mission for you to find the best remote work from home job just for you right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be among the first notified. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.